Madam, sorry.
Sorry, the chicken company of chicken and beef.
From the Arabian food, local, madam.
Local. Local.
Yes, yes, local.
Okay. And we always do 100 patients. And we request to have sushi and noodles without oyster sauce. Is that applicable? Is that possible? All money.
Okay, but the sushi, madam, it's okay without teriyaki. We put only spicy mayo.
Sushi, all kinds of sushi are without oyster sauce, right?
Excuse me, madam.
I can't hear you.
Your sushi, madam, to request. Can you repeat?
Just I want to make sure that all all kinds of sushi are without oyster sauce, right?
Yes, yes, it's okay. We not put the teriyaki sauce.
Okay, but for the noodles, all contain oyster.
Yes, 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 yes.
And
All
what about the izumi?
same, madam. Because our special, yes, same. Our special sauce we put on the oyster sauce.
Okay, and the poke
Pokeball? No. Pokeball at sukari without oyster, madam.
without oyster.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. You just ordered to Hunger Station, right?
Yes.
Okay, we waiting your order, madam.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Okay. At pagkatapos ng dumating yung order ni Madam sa Hunger Station, eto na nga't nilagay ko na sa kitchen. At ang una kong binanatan dyan, yung salmon pokball, salmon na teriyaki. Pero without po ito, oyster. Dahil yun nga ang request ni Madam. Lahat ng aming sauce na gagamitin sa sushi, walang oyster sauce. Allergic nga daw si Madam dun sa may oyster sauce. Kaya naman, ang order lang nila ay puro sushi. Dahil yung Indomie at lahat ng aming noodles may oyster sauce. Dati naman kasi ginagawa namin yun pagka may request. Kaya lang minsan lang kasing may umorder at may mag-request ng ganito na without oyster sauce. Kaya hindi ko na pinabigyan. Kaya naman ang order na lang ni Madam ay puro sushi. Kaya naman ito't binanatan ko na yung teriyaki salmon roll ni Madam na without oyster sauce. Dahil pwede ko naman lagyan ng ibang sauce to, wag lang yung teriyaki. Kaya naman ang nilagay ko lang ng mga sauce sa ibabaw ng aming order ni Madam na sushi spicy mayo at Japanese mayo lang. And then nilagyan na lang namin ng toppings yan para naman masunod yung order ni Madam na request niya. At tinawag niya pa nga yan bago umorder sa amin sa Hunger Station. Ito na nga pinaglalagyan na namin ng mga toppings at cover para mailagay na sa labas. At dahil andyan na nga yung pipick up ng order ni Madam from Hunger Station. Yun lang. Thanks for watching and see you in my next vlog. Alright.